Hey Math Monsters. Alright, so you should have this page, and hopefully you're in level 1, starting on DIY 2, count by fives. Now, if you think back to DIY 1, that was where you had the hundreds chart, and you circled the numbers counting by 5. Now, on this chart, this is just an example. They're colored in, right? They're not circled. But you made something that looked a whole lot like this yesterday, and or whenever you did DIY level 1, and I told you to keep it. So I would go and get your DIY 1 that you finished, because that's going to help you fill in the missing numbers. Okay, let's just do a quick review together. Now this is DIY 1. This is not the one you're working on now. This is the one that's going to help you with this one, which is DIY 2. But let's just do a quick review together. Let's practice skip counting. You can sing with me, or you could say it in your head. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, so now let's look at our count by 5 penguins. Okay. Now, each row of penguins is starting at a different number. Okay, so don't think that it's just going straight from 5 all the way to 120. Okay, you have to look at each row of penguins as their own thing. Okay, so let's just look at A. Now, I'm not going to tell you what to put, but I'm going to sing the song with you to help you fill out the penguins. So here we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you will be writing in the numbers, continuing the skip counting by 5 patterns. Let's sing it again together, but you need to be writing the numbers down. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And if you need help, you could always come to your chart, which is going to look a little something like this one that I have. So let's see. They have 5, 10. Okay. Next would be 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. Now, they didn't continue on to the next number, they skipped one. So you've got to look at this as a whole new group of penguins. So this group started at 45. Let's go find the 45 right here. Here's 45. Okay, so we're going to be going 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on. So 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Okay, so there it is on the penguins. Now, my penguins are blank. You need to be filling your penguins in. And if I get a little confused, I can always go back to my chart, find that start number 45, and I know that it goes from 45, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're going to go 7 minutes, okay? So 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and so on. All right, so then you've got that row of penguins. Now you'll notice there's only 2 penguins missing a number on this one. I actually filled in the rest for you on this one, and I got you started on this row. So you would find 105 on your chart. Oh, I goofed. I didn't get you a big enough chart. Here, I'm going to sing the song with you. So I'm going to help you with this part. So get your pencil ready if you haven't already. 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135. Watch that part again. 105, 110, 115. The rest are filled in. All right. So that's why I told you to hold on to the chart that you made when you did DIY 1. So it's a whole lot like this. You're going to be using that a lot in this level, on all of your level 1 stuff. You're going to want to have that chart that you made from DIY 1 handy. All right, my friends, don't forget to write your name at the tippy top. Can't wait to see what you have to show us.